If you're looking for a professional, reliable roofing company in West London, then you've come to the right place. For over 15 years, Roofwise Roofing and Building Limited have been repairing and replacing roofs, repointing chimneys and replacing guttering, fascias and soffits. We guarantee a friendly, reliable service, no matter how big or small the job. We are proud to be members of the Federation of Master Builders and the Confederation of Roofing Contractors, which means that as a homeowner, you're assured of a better result knowing you're working with the best builders. We provide a first-class service you can trust. You can also visit TrustATrader to read reviews from some of our many happy customers. We do not require a deposit before we start work, and our customers only pay once they are 100% satisfied. Naturally, our work is guaranteed and we are fully insured. For a free, no-obligation quotation for your roofing needs, call us today or visit our website for more information.